So if you're facing this problem, this is what you have to do. Go to your phone menu and scroll down and try to search in for the FC mobile game. So when you find it, try to navigate it by using your finger to tap on it for some while. Now tap on app info and you're going to be in the app info of FC mobile. When you get over here, tap on permissions and make sure you tap on these notifications over here. Now turn it on. So tap on the on button to turn allow notification on. Go back after doing this and tap on the storage and cache over here and try to tap on the clear cache over here to clear the cache. Go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure you turn the background data on. So after that, go back and tap on the force stop over here, then tap on OK. So after doing this, scroll down and tap on app details. Now when you get over here on Google Play Store, what you have to do is to make sure this EA Sports is having the latest updates. You have to update it. So after updating the game, tap on the power button for some while and these two options is going to pop up, which is the power off and restart. Select the restart to restart your device and this problem is going to get fixed. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in our next video.